to PTC Asia, and now we are at the booth of the company called World-Taili. And here with me is Wendy Wu. She is International Sales Manager. Good afternoon, Wendy.
Afternoon. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine.
How do you find our exhibition? Do you like it?
I think every year this exhibition have the good performance, and we always attend every year. And you can see that the size of the booth is become bigger and bigger every year. Yes.
Okay, thank you for your support, and of course we're looking forward to see you next year as always again.
Yes, we will.
So can you do a brief introduction to our overseas visitors of your company, of the main products, maybe new products that you're showing now this year at PTC ASIA 2021?
Okay. So first it is my great honor to have this opportunity to introduce our company. And last year I'm also here too to introduce my company. And as you can see that from the layout of the booth, our new theme this year is the intelligent
manufacturing.
Innovation.
Yes.
And I think that the technical service and always the key word is the online share. I think because of the coronavirus virus. So we are the company established since the 2005. Our main production is about the gear motors, gear box, and also the frequency inverters. And I think that now the current condition is we need to find the series of the productions and make the whole set of the customer's needs.
Okay, I see.
And also we'll show some of the new products maybe we have this year.
So actually this is leading to my next question, which is regarding the service. So what kind of service your company can provide to the customers? And we couldn't help but notice that like now is a tendency of the company transforming from the company of providing just the product to a company who's providing service for the customers. So what's your thoughts about that, and what's like maybe the plan of the company in that direction?
I think that since the Industry 4.0 across the world and make the great swept, I think that not only the production is the main factor about the sales, and also the service, and I think also the improvement for the upgrade products are also important. And for these years, we are also keeping to find the new productions, and we think that the new production comes from the customers' requires.
Yes, of course.
And their customer-made requests may push us to have the great improvement.
Yes.
And also in these special conditions, like the coronavirus, we cannot go outside to attend any exhibition and have any opportunity to make the well improve. So we think that we need to make the words online sharing, and also that make the customer service improvement. I think that to maintain all the customers, the relationship, and also to introduce our production online to the new customers.
Okay. And like it is mainly like the country's policy as well regarding the coronavirus that products from overseas cannot like easily enter because of logistics. So there's a lot of tendencies that localized manufacturers, like using local products, domestic products. So what is your company's like contribution to that new policy about domestic localizing?
Yeah, I think this is also the current main fashion questions for all of the customers abroad the world. Since that, I think that the production not about the home and also about abroad. The main we need to keep the tag is to improve the quality and to upgrade the production types. And I think that also because of the current special condition, and we think that the service, the keywords, is rather important.
Yes.
And in our company, we also maybe every year to put about 5% of the sales amount into the new production development. I think we will need to keep this, and we think that keeping to the improvement will witness the growth, I think.
And at present, like competition is really in your industry is really high, is really intense.
Yeah.
So how do you see the future trends in industry, and what are your advantages as the company in this market, like against your competitors?
Yeah, I also think that this is the sales technique improvement, I think, and the intelligent service. Since we are the manufacturer about the gear motors, which is widely used in
In all industries.
Yes, so very widely used different kind of the automation machines. So we think that we also to keep the upgraded information which is together about the all of the world. We need to get more the information to improve ourselves, and we also think that as our theme, the Taili theme, this is the we are keeping the working hard. So I think that we will witness the high glory for this the new tent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was really nice to talk to you. It was thank you for your
Yes.
interview, thank you for your time, and thank you for coming this year. And you know, this year is a very special year for PTC Asia.
Yeah.
It is actually 30th anniversary, 30th years anniversary, and thank you for sharing it with us. And I hope to see you next year as well.
Yeah, we hope that the coronavirus
Yes,
will disappear
yeah.
soon, and we will keep the work in the normal.
Yes, in the normal and on the full speed and the full like power.
Yeah, we also
Okay.
think so.
So it was Wendy Wu from World-Taili. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.